So for this problem, in a certain school, 60% of the senior class is female. So since 60% of the senior class is female, therefore there is 40% of the senior class is male. Then since 70% of the females are going to senior trip, so therefore this 60% times this 70% and 70% in decimal, so times 0.7, then there are 90% of the males are going to senior trip. So therefore, this 40% times this 90% and 90% in decimal, so this is 0.9. Then to simplify, so this 60% times 0.7, so this is equal to 42%. And this 40% times zero point 0.9, this is equal to 36%. So therefore, the total percent of the senior class going to senior trip, so 42 plus 36, so this is equal to 78%.